tonight? Can you make some motherfucking noise, please? I go by X the God, I'm an MC, and I'm here to bring you guys creativeness, lyricalness, epicness, all rolled up into one big bang for the entertainment of yourselves and the one and only Jennifer. Make some motherfucking noise. Right before we get into all this music, can we give a round of applause to music itself? Because it's music that breaks boundaries, it's music that stops all that racism, it's music that gets all of our different color skins in one place. You know, and just on a quick note, can we all just agree to say, fuck Donald Trump?
Fuck Donald Trump!
One more time.
Fuck Donald Trump!
Alright, let's get into this right now. Blackout, let's start. You know, there comes a time in history where you have to set your mark and you have to change things, whether they like. Ever since I started, I've been feeling like I'm meant for more. This is where you listen, this is where I stand the test of time. Pushing all my limits till I'm breaking vessels in my mind. Vocal scores from spitting fire. I'ma preach my soul like choirs, making and taking the moment I live in the spot. Speaking the truth like I'm back, niggas who plot and then receiving the damage intended through various plots. Now I'ma stop, never I'm fighting and biting my enemies straight to the top. Memory shot, moments are gone, you bitches don't move cause you never move on. I am a god, rebel in odds, I'm ready for comments, opinions and nods. Digging and breaking my music apart, think of the art, it comes from the heart. You never get to it or break it apart. This is the part, you are the mark. I'm hitting with knowledge so you can go far now. Spitting these lyrics, the kind of the judge like. Have you ever been to that place, or you want to go to that place of serenity? I call it the promised land. Make some noise. Home to the promised land, home where we'll make amends. I just want to come home, right where my eyes can see, lost in the midst of the sea. I just want to come home, home to the promised land, home where we'll make amends. I just want to come home, I just want to come home, I just want to come home. Back to a time, back to a moment. Think about a second that you never got to own it. When I'm locking up the flow, I throw away the keys. Ain't no touching when I'm busting, ain't no mercy after me. I am king, I am God, I am everything you're not. And people gonna hate cause I'm the foil till they plot. Got a lot of rappers and they talking magic on the stage. When there's rappers causing tragic, putting hip-hop in a state of emergency. It occurred to me that you're coming for the fame like it's an urgency. This the calm before the storm, I know it seems like a lot, but I'm about to violate you gimmicks right on the spot. Making music for the moment, never for the time. Making music for the radio, you're never in the right mind. I make music for the people cause we equal. I may say I'm higher power cause there never be a sequel. Yeah, home to the promise.
And I see no changes. Bitches in the club wanna call me Big Papa.
Get the green, dollar bill, y'all. Hey baby, I like it raw. Hey baby, I like it raw. Hey baby, I wanna score. Touchdown on your pussy views, looking like a rookie, goody, hitting like a pussy old rookie. I see no changes. Get the green, dollar bill, y'all.
Hey baby, I like it raw.
Whoa.
And I see no changes. Bitches in the club wanna call me Big
Papa. Get the green, dollar bill, y'all. Hey baby, I like it raw.
Before I murder songs, I like to see how much blood the beat got. But now I'm detoxing, so I say weird shit that makes sense. Like a drumstick inside a girl cool, call it beatboxing. I don't think I have the patience dealing with the masturbating. Everybody is exaggerating, so I'm sure rappers just an instrument. But that's a whole fuck you from my future generation. Like a dude grown tuba, with a huge boomba. And a new top skirt and who shot ya. So my soul to the blue sky, leaving in between me and two is too flat, maybe too hot. I swear I can have your bitch prancing, and I'm feeling on everything turn around Chris Hayes. And that's your girl when she looks handsome. You want what you got spilling my blood to have a take dick.
And I see no changes. Bitches in the club wanna call me Big Papa.
Get the green, dollar bill, y'all. Hey baby, I like it raw.
Yo, it's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and
Coming from the block, the cops, they told blocks and shoot shots. Knock, 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 I speak hip hop.
see we more popping, robbing the book shop, like the cook shop, drop on that man with a shook
Yeah,
up.
push wild bitches in the back with their guns out. This is hip hop and I'm pop to you blood
Man,
pop.
fuck that, we ever run. You get smashed so fast, better fly your mouth and you blow baby line.
Cardiac arrest, the rest that don't best. Your heart rate jumps and pumps out your front chest. I both flex bars, I bench my my whole verse. Pull us from the dirt and run the whole earth. You ain't answer my success, I'm serenading the world. If you're fucking with the drama, you bitches a little girl. Old school mixed with new school,
Don't get me with it.
no stress, get down,
Get jiggy with it. Shimmy, shimmy, y'all. Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.